Imagine this for a second. You're getting paid between $40 and $90 every time a simple 10-second phone call. And here's the kicker, you're not even the one picking up the phone. Sounds unreal, right? But it's not magic, and it's definitely not some scam. It's a powerful affiliate marketing model called No Sale Profit System, and today I'm gonna break it down step by step so you understand exactly how it works, why it's different, and whether it could be the right online income stream for you in 2025 and beyond. So, let's start with the basics. Traditional affiliate marketing usually means you have to convince someone to buy something, whether it's a course, a gadget, or some random subscription. And honestly, that's where most beginners struggle. Conversions are tough. Click the link in the description to read the full No Sale Profit System review and learn how to get started. But the No Sale Profit System flips the entire model upside down. Here, you're not selling anything at all. You don't need a fancy sales funnel, and you don't need to write persuasive sales copy. Instead, your only job is to drive traffic. When people make a phone call and stay on the line for at least 10 seconds, you get paid. That's it. We're talking $40 to $90 per call. Even if you only got a few calls per day, that could stack up to hundreds of dollars consistently. That's why people are paying close attention to this model. It takes the hardest part of affiliate marketing out of the equation. Here's where it gets even better. The system isn't something you're left to figure out on your own. Chris Reeder and Mark Ling, two well-known mentors in the online marketing space, actually built an entire plug-and-play ecosystem for you. That means they've already handled the heavy lifting. You get access to Facebook-friendly ad methods that are compliant and white hat, ready-made bridge sites you can use instantly, proven ad copy and creative ideas that have been tested to convert, and most importantly, access to an exclusive pay-per-call buyer network with niches like insurance, debt relief, and other profitable categories. Think of it as stepping into a machine that's already oiled, tested, and ready to generate revenue. All you're doing is supplying the traffic. One of the things I personally find fascinating about this model is how simple it really is. You don't need sales scripts, you don't need funnels, you don't even need to create a product. It's literally send traffic, people click, they make a call, you earn commission. That's it. Chris Reeder describes it as taking the chaos of affiliate marketing and replacing it with something almost poetic. Minimal, quiet, but highly effective. The companies on the other end handle everything. They take the calls, they handle the sales conversations, they close the deals, you just get paid for the call itself. Now let's talk about why this is appealing in 2025. With most affiliate campaigns, you're constantly optimizing ads, tweaking funnels, and stressing about tech breaking down. That's exhausting. With No Sale Profit System, it's the opposite. No endless ad rejections if you follow the training. Ads are literally just simple images with minimal text. Testing costs are super low, around $15 per test. And if you hit a winner, those ads can keep running profitably for months. Click the link in the description to read the full No Sale Profit System review and learn how to get started. Imagine having one ad campaign bringing in calls and commissions for 6 months straight while you sip your coffee. That's why people say this model has fewer headaches and much faster results. Here's another point I think is underrated. The model is ethical. You're not promoting shady products. You're actually connecting people to services they already need, like cheaper insurance or debt relief options. So not only is it profitable, but you can also feel good about it. You're providing real solutions, not just chasing clicks with gimmicks. That combination of simple and ethical profit is pretty rare in the affiliate marketing world. Think about the digital world we're in right now. 2025. It's flooded with AI chatbots, algorithm updates, and non-stop content everywhere. Getting attention is harder than ever, and yet No Sale Profit System doesn't rely on long videos, endless blog posts, or SEO hacks. It's as simple as connecting people to a phone number. In an economy where everything needs to be fast, snackable, and frictionless, pay-per-call fits perfectly. It's literally like wearing a t-shirt made of cash in today's attention economy. Now let's dream a little bit. What if AI takes this to the next level? Imagine AI tools that automatically optimize your ad audiences, create ad variations on the fly, and even predict which niches are about to blow up. That's where this could get even more exciting. Instead of guessing what will work, AI could constantly adjust and help scale campaigns in real time. Fewer guesses, more profit. That's the kind of future this model could be heading toward. So here's my honest takeaway. The no sale profit system program is lean, simple, and surprisingly effective. It's affiliate marketing without the chaos. Success still depends on execution, of course. But if Chris Reeder and Mark Ling's system works as promised, it could be one of the most straightforward ways to build a serious side income or even a full-time income online. And as we move deeper into 2025, models like this, where the focus is on speed, simplicity, and real value, are going to stand out even more. If you're curious about which niches are heating up right now or how AI could change the way you scale campaigns, we actually wrote a detailed review of the no sale profit system. You'll find that link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment letting me know what you think about the pay-per-call model. Could this be your next side hustle? Let's talk about it in the comments. Click the link in the description to read the full no sale profit system review and learn how to get started.